What's the big challenge to get efficient access to geothermal energy? Pipelines are a secure, effective way for conveying high value resources, such as geothermal energy. However, they are susceptible to factors such as corrosion and deposits, which can limit flow speeds and cause costly failures. Failure to maintain a pipeline will adversely affect production, damage the environment, and endanger lives. The high costs of failure mean that operators are more reliant than ever on pipeline inspections. Why choose our solution for this challenge? Our proposed pigging device aims to increase the efficiency of cleaning the interior pipeline by using additive manufacturing by the following advancement in the following areas. 1. Speed control, which allows for the ability speed control to focus on sediment built up areas by slowing down with increased interior wall contact, in turn, revolutionizing the industry by the use of the one-pass cleaning efficiency ability. 2. Rotational scrappers. Additionally, with the cap-end turbine attached to a planetary gear-driven scraper system, the device will increase the efficiency of the scrapers with a true perpendicular scraping direction. This improves cleaning efficiency over non-rotating silicone sleeves or brushes to do the scraping, which leads to smearing gliding over sediment buildup areas. 3. Scraper and brush. Similar to other pigging devices, the proposed pig will be able to interchange the scrubbing material for customization of debris removal. Who are we? The diversity of our team, Dreamer Geothermophiles, cuts across technical expertise, soft skills, experience, gender, and nationalities. Knowing that diversity fosters innovation. Our team consists of graduate and undergraduate students with geology, geophysics, geothermal, petroleum engineering, and mechanical engineering backgrounds from the University of North Dakota, working under the supervision of distinguished faculties with more than 40 years of experience who understand the challenges both in geothermal systems and additive manufacturing.